I'm Fernanda, and welcome to AI Enablement Bites, where we show you how to unlock AI for your operations one bite at a time. Today, we're diving into one of the most painful and time-consuming processes for any finance team: invoice processing and approvals. Invoices come in through mail, often as PDFs or images. Someone has to open the email, extract details like the vendor, the amount, the due date, check it against a purchase order or contract, route it to the right manager for approval, and then update sheets, the CRM, or even your accounting system. It's repetitive, prone to human error, and during peak times, approvals can be delayed for days. With Zenphi, you don't have to start from zero. You've got 3 ways to automate invoice processing. Number 1, you can start with a pre-built template. Zenphi has ready-to-use invoice processing workflows you can launch and adapt in minutes. Simply go to our template gallery and look for Invoice. You also have access to ZAIA, the AI workflow builder. Just describe what you need. For example, when an invoice arrives by email, extract the data, validate it against purchase orders, route for approval, and log it into Sheets. ZAIA will create the framework for you, which you can then fine-tune. And the third option is you're able to build from scratch. For teams with specific needs, you can design every step yourself with Zenphi's drag-and-drop designer. Simply head over to the toolbox, look for any action you wish, and then just drag and drop into the workflow designer. Here's how the workflow runs once it's set up. Step number 1, the email trigger. Zenphi captures email messages with invoices attached via Gmail. You're able to set up conditional run. This way it only runs when specific criteria is met. Let's say when the subject of the email contains the word invoice, when the sender is a specific person, etc. Step number 2, we'll use Gmail to be able to have AI data extraction. This is going to help us pull values like the vendor amount, the PO number, the due date, etc. Step number 3 will consist in validation, making sure that the invoice details match against our purchase orders or agreements. In this case, we have a purchase order spreadsheet that looks like this, so what it will do is compare the values found to the ones on the spreadsheet to make sure everything matches. If valid, it will go to the right person via Gmail or Google Chat. If not, Zenphi will be in charge of generating a task. That way the appropriate person can be notified and be able to route it back to the person it needs to. You're able to choose what happens depending on different situations, whether it was approved, whether there's a discrepancy, etc. If approved, what we'll do is log it into our Google Sheet where we have all of our different invoices and purchase orders, and we can even save a copy into our Google Drive for safekeeping. This is going to ensure compliance at all times. Once again, you're able to notify people via email. You can use Slack, you can use Google Chat, whatever your team prefers. This automation means 100% accuracy, no more copy-paste errors within your workflows, instant approvals, no more bottlenecks or waiting days for someone to actually see a task they have to get done, and always audit ready. You can ensure every invoice is logged and traceable. And remember, all of this runs in your existing Go Workspace environment. No new tools, no extra training involved.